In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of how to apply decorative nails in your upholstery project. So the tools we'll be using are a rubber hammer, and be sure to use the rubber side and not the plastic side if you have a hammer like this. 7/16 upholstery nails. You can make your own nail spacing ruler out of a strip of cardboard like this. This one has 1/2-inch hash marks to space these 7/16 inch nails. Or here's a strip cut from a sheet of plastic graph paper. Chalk is great for marking because it's easy to erase. And this is an upholstery regulator, which I use in the video, and a screwdriver makes a fine substitute in this case. I'll demonstrate on a curved section of decorative nailing that I'm working on to finish the leather upholstery on this antique chair. I'm following a chalk line here, which I've drawn all the way around the perimeter of the piece. Since I'm working with leather, I can't staple the material in place because those holes could be visible between the nails. If you're using a woven fabric, you can use staples, which you'll remove as you replace them with your decorative nails. I'm tucking a very thin layer of batting, wool batting in this case, up into the fold to create a smooth transition into the back stuffing and to hide any turn-under crease that might show through. Then I use the round end of an upholstery regulator to push the batting back from the edge of the fold. You can use any smooth, flat tool like a screwdriver if you don't have an upholstery regulator. Another tip is to trim excess bulk as you're folding the fabric under along a curve. This prevents puckering and gives you a smoother, finished edge. Cutting out triangles just short of the fold will help you neatly navigate the curves in your upholstery. The spacing of your nails depends on their size and your personal preference. I like to have a very small gap between each nail. The heads on these nails are 7/16 inch, so I space them about a 1/2 inch apart to get a 1/16 inch space between them. I start off using a ruler to measure, then as I get the hang of it, I find I can eyeball the placement pretty accurately. Your finished chair should look something like this, with the nails neatly lined up around the outside edge of your material. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share and subscribe to the naturalupholstery.com YouTube channel below.